Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a very traditional Bengali recipe called Ilish Matha, Pui Shak or Hilsa head Malabar Spinach curry. This recipe is served in the main course along with hot steamed rice. It can be served in a day-to-day meal, special occasions, festivals, and to fish-loving guests. Please watch till the end as I share many explanations, tips or recommendations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my recipe uploads. Please stay at home, stay safe, make this recipe for your family. Do not forget to like and comment about how it was. I would love to hear about it. Heat mustard oil 4 tablespoons in a pan till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. In the meantime, I have taken Hilsa head 1 cut into halves. We can also use Rahu or Katla head. I've also taken Hilsa tail 1 cut into small pieces. It is optional, but it gives a nice taste to the curry. Add turmeric powder ½ teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Coat the fish with turmeric powder and salt. Pour the fish into the hot oil. Fry the fish in medium to high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Break the fish head and tail pieces with spatula as much as possible. After 5 to 7 minutes, this is how the fish looks like. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add mustard oil 4 tablespoons again till it fumes. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2 split into 2, Pachforon ½ teaspoon, cumin ½ teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion ½ cup or onion paste 1/4 cup. And chopped garlic 1 tablespoon or garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Fried garlic gives a very nice taste to the shak. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger paste 1/2 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. If we are using garlic paste, then please add along with ginger paste. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon or red chili powder ½ teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Add fried crushed fish. Mix well. Cook with or without lid for 2 to 3 minutes in medium to high heat. This is called koshano in Bengali. This step makes the curry very tasty. Stir in between so that the masala and fish does not get burnt. Add water 1 cup. Remember, the fish has some salt, so no salt is added here. Cover with a lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes in high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Stir for 1 minute. Add Malabar spinach or Pui Shak, 700 gram, cut into thin long pieces. Tip: some are cut thinner than the rest so that some gets mashed completely and some remain intact. This gives a nice taste to the curry. Add salt 1 teaspoon, green chili 2 split into 2. Mix everything together. Tip: any kind of leafy vegetable or shark will shrink about half its amount when cooked. Always take shark accordingly. If we have less shark or leafy vegetable, then please add fried diced potato. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 minutes in high heat. We don't have to add any water. Water from Pui Shak will come out. The curry will cook in the water or moisture of the shark. Open the lid in between and stir for 1 minute so that the curry does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan and get burned. Cover with a lid and cook for the remaining time. After 10 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Stir for 1 minute. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. The curry tastes wonderful. Switch off the gas. Keep the curry open. The steam from the curry will evaporate and make the curry drier. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 2 to 4 people. Please make it at home. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.